Welcome to my channel. Melbourne has a lot of activities to do and also nearby attractions in regional Victoria for your weekend getaways. If you are interested in knowing more about Melbourne, its attractions, things to do, and some interesting places to see, then consider subscribing to my channel. I travel a bit, and as travel, I like to capture the places in the most attractive way to my level best and share with my subscribers. Check out my other videos in the playlists you can see in my channel. Coming back to this video, one of the most beautiful places you must visit near Melbourne is the Yarra Valley. Yarra Valley is an hour drive from Melbourne, and you will enjoy the beautiful sceneries it has to offer to its visitors. One must-do activity in Yarra Valley is to visit this chocolate factory. I can spend a couple of hours here by shopping some great varieties of chocolates and enjoying some delicacies in the cafe. I like taking aerial footages, and I couldn't resist capturing the beauty of this place. Hope you enjoy this drone footage and consider liking and sharing with your friends. Also consider subscribing to my channel. See you in another video.